Master, she food don't train this one. That's what I call Roomba style. Even the baby no get joy. The protective sister you making, don't mess around. This one I want kick and everywhere go block. She go beat person picking finish, con they call am self-defense. This one shall be called Shaolin Kid Master. Our ancestors are back. This little girl feet beat our entire area. Oh, it's just the fear of daddy. They keep this one for house. Bullies better get a warning. This kid's got permanent confidence. You come close, you collect. They come play first. Here comes the latest Kung Fu Panda. Omo, if this girl catch you, any man way go break her heart, go collect. Automatically head girl from kindergarten. Nobody want put body. Meanwhile in Nigeria, Mama Chukwemeka is teaching Chukwemeka to speak in tongue while he's still just 5 years old.
The patient was like, let's get the acting started. Even with gun, this killer might not hit the target. When you know everything, but you wanted to play along to survive betrayal, strategy is required. Tough times requires tough decisions, David. Imagine what will be going on his mind. Death come calling, my guy says no, bro, will be like, try again. I have 7 life subscriptions. Authentication to die. The doctor was like, oh damn. The patient refused to join his ancestors. You have to fake some things to be alive. Oh death, where's thy power? I refuse to die today.